Have you ever just stopped and looked up? I mean, really looked up. From the first blush of dawn painting the horizon, our sky begins its daily masterpiece. As the sun climbs, it transforms the deep blue canvas, splashing it with light. This isn't just an empty space above us. It's a dynamic, ever-changing world of its own. It's our constant companion, a source of wonder, and the stage for some of nature's most spectacular shows. Today, let's take a journey through this incredible expanse, from the familiar blues of daytime to the infinite, star-dusted darkness of night. Let's rediscover the sky. As morning breaks, the world awakens under a vast, blue dome. But why is it blue? It's a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. Sunlight, which is made of all the colors of the rainbow, enters our atmosphere. The tiny molecules of gas in the air scatter the shorter, blue wavelengths more than the other colors, sending that blue light in all directions for our eyes to see. It's like a planetary scale light show happening every single day. And then there are the clouds. They're not just random puffs of white, they are storytellers. The fluffy, cotton-like cumulus clouds drift lazily on a fair weather day, sometimes growing into towering cumulonimbus giants, the kings of the cloud world, bringing thunderstorms and dramatic displays of lightning. High above, the thin, wispy cirrus clouds, made of ice crystals, paint delicate strokes across the upper atmosphere, often heralding a change in the weather. And on overcast days, the blanket-like stratus clouds create a soft, diffused light, wrapping the world in a gentle grey embrace. Each formation tells a tale of the moisture, temperature, and movement happening miles above our heads. The sun itself is the heart of our daytime sky. It's a star, our star, a colossal ball of hot gas providing the light and warmth that make life on Earth possible. But it also creates some breathtaking optical illusions. After a rain shower, if the sun is behind you, you might be lucky enough to see a rainbow, a perfect arc of colors created as sunlight is refracted and reflected by water droplets in the air. Look closely, and you might even spot a second, fainter rainbow outside the first one. And on a cold, clear day, you might witness a sundog, or perihelion, bright spots of light appearing on either side of the sun, like a pair of celestial bodyguards formed by light interacting with ice crystals in the atmosphere. These are the fleeting, magical moments that make looking up so rewarding. As the day draws to a close, the sky puts on its final, spectacular performance. The sunset. The angle of the sun becomes lower, and its light has to travel through more of the atmosphere to reach us. This scatters away even more of the blue and green light, leaving the fiery reds, oranges, and pinks to dominate the horizon. No two sunsets are ever the same. Each is a unique, transient painting, a peaceful and often breathtaking farewell to the day. Then, as the last sliver of light fades, a new world emerges. The night sky. The transition is gradual, from the deep twilight indigo to the profound black of deep night. The first to appear is often the moon, our planet's loyal satellite. It's a world of stark, silent beauty, its face scarred with craters and vast, dark plains called Maria. Its appearance is a constant yet ever-changing dance. We see it wax from a slender crescent to a brilliant full moon, then wane back to nothing, all dictated by its position relative to the Earth and the Sun. On a clear night, the full moon can be so bright it casts shadows, bathing the landscape in a soft, ethereal glow. And then, the stars begin to prick the darkness. One by one, then in their thousands, and then in their countless millions. What we are seeing are distant suns, some smaller, some vastly larger than our own, their light having traveled for years, centuries, even millennia to reach our eyes. Looking at the stars is literally looking back in time. For centuries, humans have connected these dots of light, creating constellations, weaving stories and myths into the celestial tapestry. There's Orion the Hunter, with his famous three-star belt, a prominent feature of the winter sky. There's the Big Dipper, part of the larger Ursa Major constellation, which reliably points the way to Polaris, the North Star. Learning these patterns is like learning a map of the cosmos, connecting us to generations of stargazers who have looked upon these same stars with the same sense of awe. If you can get away from the light pollution of cities, on a truly dark, moonless night, you might witness one of the most awe-inspiring sights of all, the Milky Way. This isn't just a cloud, it's the dense, star-packed arm of our own spiral galaxy, stretching across the sky like a river of light. It's our galactic home, seen from the inside. To see it with your own eyes is a humbling experience, a profound reminder of our tiny place in a vast, sprawling universe. It's made of billions of stars, so far away that their light blends together into a luminous, ghostly band. The night sky is also the stage for some truly dramatic celestial events. Meteor showers, for instance. These occur when Earth passes through the trail of dusty debris left behind by a comet or asteroid. As these tiny particles, most no bigger than a grain of sand, enter our atmosphere at incredible speeds, they burn up, creating the fleeting streaks of light we call shooting stars. Annual showers like the Perseids in August or the Geminids in December can produce dozens, sometimes even hundreds, of meteors per hour, a celestial fireworks display of epic proportions. Then there are eclipses. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes directly between the sun and Earth, casting a shadow on our planet. A total solar eclipse is a rare and profound event, where the moon completely blocks the sun, plunging day into an eerie twilight and revealing the sun's wispy outer atmosphere, the corona. A lunar eclipse is more common and occurs when the Earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting its own shadow onto the lunar surface. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon doesn't disappear. It often turns a deep, coppery red, earning it the nickname blood moon, as the only sunlight reaching it is filtered through Earth's atmosphere. And for those in the high latitudes, there's the aurora. The northern and southern lights are a truly magical phenomenon. They are created when charged particles from the sun, carried on the solar wind, collide with gases in Earth's upper atmosphere. These collisions excite the gas molecules, causing them to glow in shimmering curtains of green, pink, and violet light that dance and ripple across the polar skies. It's a display so surreal, so beautiful, it feels like the planet itself is dreaming. But our view doesn't stop at our own galaxy. With a simple pair of binoculars or a small telescope, the universe opens up even further. You can spot the faint smudges of other galaxies, like Andromeda, our nearest major galactic neighbor, a spiral galaxy containing 1 trillion stars, its light having traveled for 2.5 million years to reach us. You can see planets in our own solar system. The bright, steady light of Jupiter, so large you can even spot its 4 largest moons with binoculars. The distinct reddish hue of Mars. And the jewel of the solar system, Saturn, with its magnificent, iconic rings. We can also glimpse nebulae, the vast, interstellar clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born, glowing with the light of the stellar infants within them. These are the nurseries of the cosmos, places of creation and breathtaking beauty. From the vibrant, life-giving light of day to the profound, star-filled mystery of night, the sky is a constant source of wonder and perspective. It connects us all, no matter where we are on Earth. It's a clock, a calendar, and a canvas for nature's greatest art. It inspires us, humbles us, and reminds us of the incredible, beautiful universe we are a part of. So the next time you have a moment, step outside. Look up. Watch the clouds drift by, wait for the first star to appear, and just appreciate the magnificent show happening above you, every single day and every single night. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through our sky. If you enjoyed this cosmic tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until then, keep looking up.